I have tried to prepare for the IPO sometime before, because I think mainland IPO should come out sooner or later. I mean, my guess is after third planner it will come out. So it did come out. So my position to welcome this kind of decision is I build position in brokers. So that's for me the position. But in terms of the whole market on China, I do not think, I'm not expert on China-Asia market, but I think China-Asia market is very much liquidity driven rather than IPO driven. So even though the IPOs they come out, I don't think they will dry up a lot of liquidity just because of the IPOs. So rather I don't think any kind of big event for Asian market. But it's confidence or whatever, it's a protection of minority or whatever. But I think the key driver for Asian market is still the liquidity. But to me, we can benefit from those IPOs. To me, what I can think of is to buy those brokers. But New China, people all talk about New China. But if you put New China into stock market, where is New China? It's here. This pie, if it's MSCI China Index, so New China right now possibly is about 1/3 of the index, which like IT, like insurance, like diversified financials, mainly the brokers, healthcare, which is only 1.4%, and staples, discretionary, and so on. So put all together is about 1/3. But my expectation is that within 5 years, this 1/3 possibly will be at least 50%. So in this case, if a lot of people, I mean, last year MSCI China kind of flattish. If next 5 years, even MSCI China Index be flattish for next 5 years, we still have organic growth for China. Meaning from, if this 33% grow to 50%, you have the organic growth here. And if you focus on this organic growth, you definitely can get a positive return from that. So this is the key chart I want to have, is that possibly within next 5 years, this 1/3 will become 50%. For first, I think the valuation. I think I start to think about the valuation issues starting from the third quarter last year, because a lot of stocks already rallied a lot, and I think just look at the valuation 2013. Actually, they are not cheap. But I also had my quarterly review with my boss, and also the same question, that whether I need to trim some positions or not. But I thought about that, and finally my decision is that I will continue to hold that, and if any correction, which I expect may happen in fourth quarter, I will use the opportunity to add more.